Hey guys, so today I'm going to be making template number 7. And template number 7 comes with 4, if you buy the digital version, you will have 4 pages, either in the PDF or even in the PNG. You will see these different pages. This is to fit 8.5 by 11. The first page, you need 5 of that petal. That includes this petal, the largest one. So there's 3 petals sizes, and the first one looks like that, and you need 5. And the second one, you need second page, you will need to do 2 pages of this, 2 sheets of this, and just 1 for the next 2. So let's get started on the flower. So I have my first size petal, largest size, the second, and the third, and then a base. So I'm going to start by curling the sides. This is a thicker paper, so curling the sides, sometimes you will get, I'm not sure if you're seeing this, but you'll get little wrinkles in the paper. It's okay. It still turns out beautiful in the end. But this size paper is like 100 pounds or something like that. Its weight. It's a really heavy cardstock. The lighter and medium cardstocks, they're perfect for rolling the paper, your petals. The thicker you go into the cardstock, the more difficult, and it also depends on the brand of paper. I noticed that this brand of paper is not so good at rolling, but I have like a metallic heavy cardstock paper that rolls just perfectly fine. And also, if you use less paper at once, sometimes that makes a difference, but it doesn't here. I wanted to see if it make a difference, but it really doesn't. So it's really dependent on your paper. Lighter and medium cardstock paper is perfect for rolling if you don't want to ever get those little wrinkles. Okay, the next step is to glue. One line, just hold it in place. Starting at the bottom. So there's 5, and this last petal size is only 4 petals. Just happened here and made this little indent right here. Just smooth it out. I don't want it to look like that, so I'm just smoothing it out. If I ever get that again, I'm getting it here again. Smooth it out. And also just smooth it out. Oops. Glue on my petal. On my first petal, I'm just gonna do half of the left side. Glue it in place on my base. Second one, do the whole bottom row. Glue in place like so. Base really helps you take the guesswork out of where you should be placing the flowers and making sure everything is even. Okay, so now with my last flower petal, I'm going to lift up that first petal and place down my last one underneath it, like so. Then I'm gonna go back, place a dab of glue there. And also you can go ahead and add a little glue to the sides, kind of keeps it in place. Makes it, it's pretty sturdy. This one is super sturdy because my cardstock paper is heavier. So if you have a lighter one, it may be flimsy, you know, so you will want to like glue the sides down a little bit. How I'm determining where to glue it at is you can go like that to flatten out your paper, and then place your finger like, okay, I have to go right underneath my finger just a little bit off the edge, and then come back and place it down. You don't need much glue, just a dab of glue to hold it in place. And I'm showing this step because I really actually don't need to do this with this thick of a cardstock, but I'm showing you this step in case you ever come across that problem. Okay, now my second petal size, then do the same process, just place a dab of glue on that side. I like to go in between like the previous row, line that up good. Line it up. And then for the last petal of this size, gonna lift up that first one, line it up, okay, and then place a dab of glue underneath. Now for this last one, it's not gonna go in between, it's gonna, you're just trying to make sure that you get all 4 petals laid. So sometimes I like to just place it down wherever, and you just know it's gonna go like this, just to make sure, you know, you can do that beforehand to see exactly where it's supposed to be. But generally they're going to be across from each other since it's only 4 petals. I didn't do that. That wasn't planned. I definitely wanted to do that. Oops, this petal is off. It was not centered right. So gonna get all these little strings away, clearing up my center area. And place my center. I think I'm gonna go with the center. And I'm just gonna place a dab of glue and go right in the middle there. And then we have a template number 7. Thanks for watching.